Good evening. Tomorrow is the first annual Oklahoma Lady Bass Anglers Team Tournament, and I'm here with my partner over there, my Oklahomie, Sarah Roberts, and our good friend Michelle, and she's fishing as a boater as well, and she has her niece fishing with her. So this is an all-women's tournament, and there's going to be hopefully about seven, 8 boats for the first annual, so that's going to be good. Sarah, what do you think? Like, has it been, she's the tournament director, and her assistant. So they've been putting a lot of work into this and had the news anchors out here, and putting a lot of effort into it. So hopefully it goes well. Do you guys have anything to say?
I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited to go out and fish, and I feel like even if this year, we only get 7 to 8 boats, it's gained a lot of traction. I feel like over the years, it'll just get more and more popular.
Yeah. So they're on Facebook, so like and follow them at Oklahoma Lady Bass Anglers. And yeah, let's help this place grow. Come on. All right, good morning. We are started fishing the Oklahoma Lady Bass Anglers with my Oklahomie, Sarah Roberts. We have one in the boat already. It's about 6:24. Launch was at 6. We're just staying here where we launched. They're breaking right there. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to fishing. Hopefully this topwater stays on. Got him. Oh, he came off. Dang it. Dude, he like hit it hard. I didn't even have enough time to. Darn it, stupid. You got him?
No, it's fine. I'm good. It's short. It's a small one. Yeah. Off that rock down there. There he is.
We have one keeper in the boat, so we're needing to speed things up a little bit. We're in Burnt Cabin Creek. So we're hoping to get at least a couple out of here. We'll be fishing. What are we going to be fishing? Is it a flat? No. It's like a steeper bank with chunk rock, and hopefully we can pull off and get some. Got it? Yep. Killer. Okay. That's the size we want. Yeah, I mean, I feel like, yeah, he just got heavy. Here's one. Darn it. There's a fish. Small.
Alright. Want to come up front? I got to change my phone. And Anti-tech is right on. I'm not going to be stubborn today.
You want that?
Think so?
Yeah.
There's one.
Good one. Good one.
it good?
Okay. Yep. Sneaking rock. I was like, shoot.
You got it.
Number 3. Yeah. You got him? Get him! Number 4!
Hey.
That's a good one. Did he come off?
No.
Okay.
I don't know if this is a bass. If this is a bass, we're in for a freaking fight. I don't know where to go. Hold on. I just don't feel like it's a bass. Hopefully it's a smallmouth. Oh shit. That was a good one.
And that was my fault.
It's okay. No. Oh my gosh. Oh. Man, he took off. My rib is bruised.
How did we miss him?
I don't know, I set the hook good. He was just...
Dang it.
There.
Oh my gosh, I'm sick. He was right there. Like, I thought I had him in the net. And I saw you give up. Like, you mean...
Yeah, like I was just trying to coast him.
I thought he was in the net.
Okay. Well, when there's one, there's more.
How did we not get him in?
I don't know. I should have
It's your fault.
I should have
It's
walked
yours.
him. Should have walking around or something.
Dang it, we need to get him.
Ah.
I'm trying to catch you a big one so you won't be upset anymore.
I'm not upset.
I am.
I'm upset, but I'm not gonna let it stop me today. We're gonna catch another one, and it's gonna be bigger.
There's one. Take the whole
thing.
You know, I'm kind of getting tired of the rain.
Yeah, I know. There's one of them black smallies.
Oh my goodness, it's black. That's a good thing it's not even 10 yet.
I know.
We should have 4 in the boat.
I know. We should actually have a limit. We
Yeah,
caught
we
our
should.
2 previous this one.
Yeah. We should have already pulled.
Listen, we gotta save the race.
You're gonna push me in?
No, I'm not gonna push you in. It wasn't your fault. Why do you think it's your fault?
Because I should have had him. I saw him, and I thought I scooped him.
It's okay.
And I don't think I hit him with the net, but I definitely like scared him with the net, and that's what made him.
Shoot. Like right next.
Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's flipping.
You're a keeper.
I'm sorry. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna flip him.
You're fine. I do the same thing all the time. That's why I asked you about how you feel about the net.
Ate that jig.
Yeah.
Golly.
It's you. One looks brand new, one's a bomber. Okay. You did it!
Got him.
Yeah.
You are hungry.
He's a chunk.
Yeah, 14. We got a limit.
I had no idea you were
25.
videoing. I danced. That was great.
Perfect. Okay, number 5 is the smallest.
Okay, well. You're just smacking him upside the head.
Sorry. I did. He was a lot closer than I expected.
Gracious.
Sorry.
You're okay. Man, you got the kill on him.
Gosh!
This is a good one.
Poop it all over your boat!
That was awesome.
That's never happened, ever. Oh my god.
Well, you're gonna be able to call, girl.
It's 15. Oh my gosh.
Just rinse them off in the live well.
Alright. That's a pretty good pull.
Yeah.
We need bigger. Okay. So we have 5, right?
We have 5. So yeah, so we can release him. We gotta let him go. Free Willy.
You sure?
I'm sure we have 5.
I'm like, okay, I gotta count them.
That's why I tag them. Otherwise I
you're
forget.
right, you're right. so hard when it's that far. But he had it. I saw your line. Oh.
On the way, you freaking.
See, I've been wanting him to do that, so I can be like, maybe I need to throw a swim jig. But I haven't had that happening. Or maybe he had it and he just was swimming with it. You got one?
Yep.
Yeah, he's not. But still, he's cute. Oh, here.
Okay, you're good.
Like, bringing it to the net. Yours are just a lot different than mine. I just can't bring it to the net because they just pull too hard. Well, shoals I can.
Well, you don't have to bring it to the net.
Good job, girl. Yeah, she's pretty.
She's pretty.
Do work.
That was good.
Oh, what was that?
Lord. My finger slipped and then I think I hit the button and stopped it. It's another spot. He's fat. Get away him. I don't think he's gonna call anyway,
I
man.
don't either.
And he's fat like the one I caught on my friend.
I don't even think he's 14.
Man, he was a football. I don't think he's 14 either. He might be 13.
Nice. Oh, shoot. Do you think you can flip him or do you want me to? Okay, I will be here.
I just gotta get him in first.
Yeah.
Ready?
Nope.
Hold on.
That tub.
Yeah!
He's the big one. Oh my goodness.
Don't let me get another.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that smell.
Yes. Oh, you had him hooked good.
I swung for the fences because I tossed way out there.
Whoop, whoop. It's so pretty. Yeah, he is pretty. You want a picture?
Yeah.
All right, we called a 3-pounder. Well, we got a 3-pounder and our 171. We're going up. Okay. Now for all the fish, right?
You have your things and I have mine. I'm like,
3, 4, 5. Yes. Yes. See? That's all I need from you. You catch the big one. I got the
if
quantity.
only I kept the one from earlier.
I know, right? We would have a pretty good stack. Oh. Well then. He's not that big. A fish.
It was.
Oh, he was swimming straight to me. You got it? We just bang him everywhere. Oh shoot.
I just let you. I was like, I'm not even gonna fight it.
Just bang him up on everything.
Oh yeah, that's color.
Yeah. No.
No?
I got it.
You got a camera? That's good.
171. Wrong way. 171. For a 2, what was it?
6-8.
268. Almost a pound. So we're getting there.
Slowly, surely.
You sure we have 5?
Yes, we have 5 here. I'll double count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a free swimmer.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how much that free swimmer weighs.
You want me to try to pull it out?
Yeah, and there's a tag right here. There's a bite.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it eventually.
He ate it.
It doesn't help us. Oh, you're way down. Oh, there's a fish.
It didn't really want it.
Both my pinchers got knocked off. Oh, pardon. Is that thunder? They were perch, but I was determined I'm gonna catch one of those stupid perch. Oh, that's not a perch. Son of a gun. Did you see him?
Yeah, I did.
Look around, weirdo.
He might be 160.
You think so?
I don't know.
He does. He has a fatty.
Another spot.
This Kentucky, yeah. Whoa.
Oh.
Yes. Dude.
Oh, this is gonna fall. It's right here next to the seat.
We need it to be 2 pounds.
Yep.
It feels heavy. He's a runner. He is a largemouth though, so he might weigh more than 2. It won't help us. 185.
He's alright, man.
Darn, he's
They're
pretty.
so fun.
Huh?
That's just so fun. I would say
15 keepers for today.
and 900 small ones.
How do they do that? I'm telling you.
They do. It ran right at me.
Well, we got about 1 hour left. We've kind of narrowed it down to throwing a jig, but we're looking for chunk rock that leads into steeper banks and not just flats. And we've caught about close to 20 keepers and probably have about 12 pounds,
Probably.
hopefully. So we just need a few more 3-pounders so that we can get this one in the bag.
We have an hour left.
We're about to run out of water.
Running out of water, huh?
I picked a horrible bag. Sarah gave it to me.
Sarah gave you the horrible bag?
I think it's a smallmouth.
5 fish, huh?
Yeah,
That's a nice one. That's a nice other one.
yeah.
This one's the bigger one, I think.
I think it's going to be big enough.
What is it?
325.
Okay. 293.
293.
It's close.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do all of them. Just the camera shots in?
Yeah.
You're good. I'll save a little water, maybe. We're not really full anymore. These are not hard.
No.
Okay. Go to work. Whoop. 1237.
She made me carry her this whole day.
She carried you?
No.
Or you carried her? You carried her?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that.
The only
She did.
She carried you all day long?
Listen, we had a heartbreaking moment. We did have a heartbreaking
Together.
Okay, let me just tell you about it.
Second place, Miss Cindy.
And Sarah? Aren't they cute? Yeah, they are. I wanted one of these. This is what I wanted.
That's the one you wanted?
No, I wanted one. But I'll take second.
All right, first place goes to the Hibbs. Cindy.
It works every time.
Two. Feel free to pick. Cindy gets lucky.
No, I just say Cindy Adler-Jackson. Cindy Adler-Jackson. And you said my name. Good evening. We're here at the Lady Bass. Hold on. What is it called?
Oklahoma Lady Angler Tournament.
All right. Good evening. We're here at about to fish tomorrow. The Lady.
Oklahoma Lady.
Okay.
Just say Oklahoma. Just say Oklahoma Tournament.
Okay.
Does that work?
Sure.
What are you doing?
I went. Hey, do you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good morning.
You're just getting in them cars.
You're too far.
Okay.
Dude, what are we doing wrong? You need a hug?
Huh? Getting tired?
I said you need a hug?
No. Okay, leave me alone. I'm gonna check on
Rainwater.
rainwater.
Oh, what are we doing?
We're out in the. Good thing you're not actually in the water.
I think it still shows green, hopefully. Who do we look at? I just closed my eyes. I have a beaver tournament next weekend, and then I think like next weekend after that I gotta work.
No, we gotta go clean the boat.
What? I'm gonna give you a hug, dude. Oh, I thought you were like.
Cindy is like all over the 6L spreadsheet. Corey's gonna be so excited.